Doc was very proud of being Great Western. He talked endlessly about it, but he worked hard too and made sure everything ran like clockwork. It was a splendid day. Cars and coaches behaved well. The passengers even stopped grumbling. But the engines didn't like having to bustle about. There were two ways of doing things, Duck told them. The Great Western way and the wrong way. I'm Great Western, and don't we know it? They groaned. The engines were glad when a visitor came. He purred smoothly towards them, so Topham Hatt stepped out of the cab. Here is Diesel. I've agreed to give him a trial. He needs to learn. Please teach him, Doc. Good morning, purred Diesel in an oily voice. Pleased to meet you, Doc. Is that James and Henry and Gordon and a green caterpillar too? Hey! I am delighted to meet such famous steam engines. Anyways, to work, I suppose. Now listen here, Doc. I got him for cheap, and I think I know why. So just be careful with him. I think he's a troublesome one. The silly engines were flattered. He has very good manners. He does not. We are pleased to have him in our yacht. I will bash his buffers till they come out of his... He didn't have a funnel, did he? No, you can't be a proper engine without a funnel. You're worthy, Top. Sir Topham Hatt to you, ordered Duck. Diesel looked unfazed. You're worthy, Sir Topham Hatt thinks I need to learn. Like him. He is mistaken. We Diesels don't need to learn. We know everything. We come to a yard and improve it. We are revolutionary. Well, if you're Revo Thingagummy, perhaps you should collect my trucks while I fetch Gordon's coaches. Diesel, delighted to show off, purred away, while Doc went to fetch the coaches.